Okay, we've got a lot of little carcasses lying on the floor here. How many do we have? This is Fiaro, Geronimo Fiaro. Oh, what happened there? Gobi Bear Austin, you haven't said an itch. Who's this? This is Hiawatha, I think. This is Goliath. Half Pint. Oh, there's another one under here. There's geckos over here behind Gypsy Rose. It's a hot day here. This is hilarious. Look at this. Talk about. Oh, and there's one up here too. Which one is this? Oh, this is Halo. Hello, Halo. Is that all of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. There they are. Peppering the living room floor. Too funny.